Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a clear form button in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to give users an easy way to reset all the fields in your form with just one click, saving them time and improving their experience with your document. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to create the clear form button. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now look over to the left panel and navigate to All Tools. You'll see a variety of options here, but we need to access more features, so click on View More. This expands the available tools and gives you access to the form editing capabilities we need for this tutorial. From the expanded Tools menu, look for Prepare a Form and click it. This tool is specifically designed for creating and managing interactive form elements in your PDF documents. Once you've clicked it, you'll need to click Create Form to enter the form editing mode where you can add buttons and other interactive elements. With the form editor now active, navigate to the left panel and click on Button. This opens up the button creation tool that allows you to add interactive buttons anywhere in your document. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're ready to place the button wherever you want on the page. After placing your button, click on the Select Text tool. This allows you to manipulate and resize the button to fit your design needs. Feel free to resize the button so it fits well within your form's layout and is easily visible to users. Now double-click the button you just created. This opens up the Button Properties dialog where you can customize how your button looks and functions. Navigate to the Options tab at the top of this dialog box. This is where you'll set the visual properties of your button. In the Options tab, navigate to the Label field and type your label name. For example, you can type Reset Form or Clear Form, depending on what makes the most sense for your document. This label will be displayed on the button itself, so choose something clear and descriptive. Next, click on the Actions tab. This is where the real functionality comes in, as you'll define what happens when someone clicks your button. Navigate to Select Action and click the drop-down menu beside it. From this menu, select Reset a Form. This action is exactly what we need to clear all the form fields. After selecting Reset a Form, click Add to confirm this action. A new dialog will appear asking you which fields you want to reset. Select the fields you want to include in the reset action, or simply select all if you want the button to clear the entire form. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm. Now click Close to exit the Button Properties dialog. You've successfully configured your Clear Form button, but it's always good practice to test it before finalizing everything. In the bottom left corner, click Preview. This switches your document into preview mode where you can test the interactive elements. Go ahead and type in the text box fields to add some sample data. After that, click the Reset Form button you just created. You should see all the fields clear instantly. Once you've confirmed the button works correctly, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner to return to editing mode. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right to save all your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a functional clear form button to your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.